Pardon. How y'all doing? Peace, love, and life. Very great, grandiose day. It's amazing. Oh, shoot, I'm late for something. Whoops. Time flies when you're supposed to be in the forest, man. Hey, but look, because I was supposed to meet up with some originals online. Dang it. Man, that just goes to show you time flies. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification. Daily uploads. It's a great grandiose day, man. Wow, this sun is just hitting me. I was gonna make a video because I was just absorbing all this stuff right here. Just post fast. And I'm telling you, man, this weather, I mean, I would have gone in the forest during my 10-day dry fast with no food and no water. But it was just like, it was just too, I felt like it was just too cold, really. Even though my body was more sensitive to temperature and whatnot. As well as just like, my body was sensitive to temperature, but it was just so cold, like, too. And I was like, I didn't have much energy. I did have energy to take my dog out. If y'all see him, there he is. But it was just cold. But now here it is, it's warm. Like, it's real great. And I'm in the forest. I feel like very freeing. I feel very freeing. So much information, so much, it's just energy is just coming towards me. A lot of things that I experienced. A lot of things that I experienced from like the past life. My past. I guess to the lines of my future. It's all coming to me. It's so fast and so rapid. It's very shocking. Like, and the sun's here and it's giving me light. So then I'm like, it's all taken in. It's all a lot of information, bro. Yeah. It's all a lot. I feel free when I'm here. I gotta start living out here. Gotta start living in nature. Where I live in, it's warmer. But yeah, I forgot to tell you guys. You guys want to book a one-on-one consultation? You can do that by sending us an email at info@healingthroughinspiration, or you can just DM us on Instagram at healingthroughinspiration. If you guys want to, I'll give it our business course too, especially right now in quarantine and Corona times. You can't really even go back to work, so you gotta get a business. You gotta work online. And if you don't know where to go, what business to start, hey, we got the course for you guys in the description box below. Make sure you guys get with that. I was gonna say is that we got a one-of-a-kind artwork at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop. Hey, check us out. We also got our apparel, amazing apparel. So I gotta check that out. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification, daily uploads. But yeah, feathers up. We're not just talking it, we're actually living it. You thought I was gonna forget? I was gonna forget. This is just so blissful and peaceful right now. After this post fast. But yeah, like I said, I'm supposed to be somewhere. One thing about my fast is that when I went to the store, I got a lot of stuff. Not even gonna lie, I got a lot, cause I just wanted it, and I think that's just where my mind was. And because I'm abundant, gotta stop being skimpy and stuff. I mean, when I say I got a lot, man, a lot. but it's not going to waste. You dig? One of the things that I got in the store, I think I saw some sparkling drink, sparkling like water, but I thought it was like naturally flavored since it was. Anyways, I saw it, and I think I saw some online. I thought it was the one that I saw online or something. While I was waiting for the one online, so I was in the store, and I saw some hybrids. Some pale foreigners. Everybody, and that's they got a lot. I mean, they got the whole cart. Whereas I said, "Wow, is it good?" Because I wanted it. Like, yeah, it's very good. It's da-da-da-da-da-da. I'm like, and the lady was talking like that. Yeah, it's really good. It's good. And then I'm like, okay. And I asked the daughter too, and the daughter said I said, wow. And then the son was like, and the son came over. He was like, basically being territorial. He was making sure he had some of his, just over this type of beverage. And I'm like, huh. So I went and picked through, and I read it. It said natural flavors, whatever. And I got it. So then I finally got it. And then when I ended up getting it. This after I broke my fast. Now, maybe seems like a day or 2 days ago. Yeah, I opened up the beverage, and I'm like, and it was key limes. And I'm thinking it's about to have a lime, and I'm about to add like some natural agave to it to make it sweet. The thing is that it tastes sweet, and I'm just like, it was all bubbly, and I'm just like, yo, I realized what it said. I'm just like, yo, this tastes weird. Like this tastes sweeter than I thought. I'm just like, what is this? It really tasted like pop. So I'm like, yo, what the heck is this thing pop? So man, tell me why when I tasted it, like almost like immediately like trying to think what happened first. I got a flash headache right here. And then my forearms, whatever, pulsating, start went numb right here. And then I think it went to maybe this one, but I know it went down to this leg right here. It started going numb, and then I think my vision, and then later my vision started to become blurry, and I started to lose my balance. I started to lose my balance a little bit, and I'm just like, I didn't even have a lot of that drink. And I didn't even have 1/4 of the drink, and I just threw it. I just poured it out. I just poured the drink out. And I'm just like, yeah. And the thing I bought some thinking that this was gonna be beneficial, or at least be beneficial or something. I thought it was something else. But so then I'm like, yo. But it's the fact of the matter, the body tells. Body really tells. And there's some people who don't have that experience, but they don't know because they're not giving their body the right stuff. They're not giving the body the right stuff that it needs. And they don't know how. Because the body tells. My body told me immediately. I said, oh my gosh, I'm getting sick from this. I was literally getting sick from this. I just told you I only had like less than 1/4 of it. So by the body just telling me that And I'm like, I was listening, my vision was getting blurry, and I'm like, I'm noticing all this, and I'm just like, and I get a headache, pain, and I think, my limbs was quivering too. I said, yo, and when I started losing balance too, I was very well losing balance. I said, yo, what the frick? Poured it out. Body does not lie. You know what I'm saying? The body would tell you many things. A lot of people they don't get accept the right things. They don't get accept the right things. So if you been eating wrong, if you've been living wrong your whole life, and you get your body so used to wrong, but when you live right and you get something that's wrong, then your body knows more so how to correct itself, more so, and you more knowledgeable of it. But I'm just grateful that I'm like, wow. I mean, I'm just grateful that I was able to be able to experience that, be able to experience the knowledge and what to know of and what to do of. Because a lot of people don't know about their body. They don't know how to heal themselves. But I'm so grateful that we do. But if you guys want to learn how, you guys can book a one-on-one consultation. You can do this by sending us an email at info@healingthroughinspiration, or just DM us on Instagram. Post it on a regular. You dig? We get with our business course, one of a kind artwork at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop, as well along with our apparel. Wish you guys have a great one. Peace, love, and light. Oh, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Hit the bell notification. Daily uploads. Peace, love, and light, y'all. Put us up.